Yeah.
themes.
Yeah, I never really realized that there's exercise things. Look at that tree over here. Let's go close to that one. I'll take a couple with you there. It's called a rainbow tree.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.